Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun Easter video, I'll be showing you how to draw an Easter Pokemon surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Easter Pokemon surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. So I'm going to line up the corners of my paper and give it a nice fold down the middle. So it kind of looks like a birthday card. Next, I'm going to line up the corners one more time, giving it another nice fold. This way it kind of looks like a bookmark. Now when I open this up, I have these nice little guidelines that show me where to keep the inside of my drawing. And I like to turn my paper this way so I can open it up for the fun surprise. Now to start off with this, we're going to be making our Pokeball. And I'm just going to go ahead and trace this little paint palette right here. So I'm just going to begin by making a sad face above the fold. And then I'm just going to make a happy face below the fold like this. If you don't have anything to trace, that's totally fine. Just go ahead and draw it on your own. Now, right in here, let's make the little buttons. So I'm going to make a little sad face and then a little happy face for the button on our Pokeball. Now, let's draw a line that's going to come across here. We're going to go up and down to about here. Then we're going to bring this across. Same thing here, bring this across, down and up, and then bring it across here. Now for some fun detail on here, let's make some wiggly lines across our Pokeball, just to kind of give it a little bit of fun detail, kind of like an Easter egg look. Now our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now, once we have our two halves drawn, we're going to start making the inside. So first, I'm going to bring this line up, and I'm going to bring this line up. Then let's go ahead and draw a line across to connect it. We can also bring these two lines up as well. We'll do the same thing here. We'll bring this down. We'll bring this down. And then we're just going to bring this line across. And we can bring these two lines down. That way when we fold it up, it looks like the Pokeball, and then when we open it, we've got the endings, and we didn't cross our little lines. Now let's make some of our Pokemon characters look like little peeps. So I'm going to begin here. Let's go ahead and make a curve here, and then let's make a curve here. Then we'll make a curve down and a curve down here. Now right here, I'm going to make this line come up and down. And then I'll do the same thing here. Bring this up and down, and we're going to make them meet right in the middle. Let's do another one over here. I'm going to make a curve here and a curve right here, a little more at an angle. Let's curve this side down and then curve this right to the edge here. We'll make this line come up and down, and then we'll make another one here come up and down. Now let's do one right here. Let's make a curve and a curve. You can see once again, kind of putting it more at an angle. Then we're going to do a curve here and a curve here for the body. Let's make a bump here and then another bump right here. Now let's go ahead. Let's make this first little peep. Let's turn this into a Pikachu one. So we're going to go ahead and make a circle and a circle for the eyes. And we're going to color in most of it, leaving just a tiny bit white towards the top, just for a little bit of detail. We'll put a small little dot right here for the nose. Then we're going to make two little curves for the mouth. Then we're going to make a nice big smiley face for the open mouth. And a little sad face for the tongue. Let's make a circle on each side for his little cheeks. Then let's make a curved line here and a curved line here for the detail on his ears. Now over here, let's make Charmander. So starting here, let's go ahead and make a line. We're just going to curve this up. And then we're going to curve this down to here. Then we're just going to go down and up with a smile. We'll make 1 and 2 little teeth at the top. And then we'll do 1 and 2 at the bottom. Let's make a little curve shape for the tongue. We'll do a little sad face with 2 dots on it for the nose. We're going to draw a line that's going to come up and down and around for an eye. And then same thing, up and down and then around for an eye. We're going to draw a little oval shape at the top. And then we're going to make a bigger oval shape that we just kind of color right around. And then we'll make the 2 little lines here. Now, over here, let's make Squirtle. So let's begin by making a line that's going to come up. We're going to come down with like a little point, and then we're going to bring it over to here. Then we're going to go down and then up. And we'll do a big curve for the tongue. We'll do 2 little dots for the nose. Then we're going to go up and down and then over for an eye. And then same thing here, up and down and then over for an eye. We're going to make a little oval shape at the top. And then we're going to make a little line that's going to come down on each side. Then we'll just kind of color in a little bit larger oval shape right around here. Then I'm going to make a little line here and a little line here for the shell. And then we're just going to make a little line that's going to come down and up. We'll draw a line here and then a couple lines here for some detail. Then on our little Charmander one, I forgot we can just give him a little curved line for the belly. Then you can leave it like this, or you can kind of add a little bit of fun stuff in here. I'm going to make some little oval shapes right around here. Try my best to make them in like an egg shape. So I'm just going to put a few in here. I think I'm going to do like an odd number. And then I'm just going to go and make them look like little Pokeballs. I'm just going to make a little line across with a bump, and I'll do the same thing on the bottom. This is just kind of like a fun way to add some little detail to our little fun Pokemon Peeps prize fold. So we have it all folded up. We've got a normal looking Easter Pokeball, and then when we open it, it's filled with some of our favorite Pokemon characters as Peeps. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.